What's up, guys? Welcome back to Sandy and Bones TV. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you will get every notification of the videos when we upload. Also, remember to check out our descriptions. We have merch available, and also you can become a member of the channel. So, check out our description for more.
Yeah, man, I don't know, so I see the title and the thumbnail, you see it's a Queenie forward a yard. And yesterday Dewey forward a yard now, you don't know Dewey next girl a forward Saturday. And wife here forward a yard today. Yo, the internet a got nice, put more turn up, you see it's thing, everything mad there now. Yeah, man, if I don't know, so the Queen is on her way forward, you see me? So when I think about that, I told Dewey fly down yesterday, that's why Queenie come back so fast or what. You see it and she knows say more forward. So that be a mix up a go on still. I mean, I know how the way I go manage still. But anyway, I'm there. Queenie I go find him, you see it. Don't remember say they have all a show book together, you see it. So just go and drop on a comment when you think about it. Say Queenie forward as Dewey forward, you see it. Yeah man, we forward and hear what she say.
Allah, yeah, Bones to mix up Queenie DEH said she go come back for a long time. From before Queenie even left Jamaica, she said she go come back. So big up on herself. Doing no problem.
Merry Christmas when it comes. Great thing and win 2023, December 2026. Down at Jamaica, and that's over we are. More than we will be here. Hot girl, never have black girl. And I belly hurt to know. Thank you. Wow, that was done festive. Foreign. Yeah, Oxford Street. Oxford Circle. What, fam? That girl Queenie. It's a nice Christmas decoration. Beautiful. Like the Queenie, like the beautiful. Merry Christmas at the time. Ooh. Oh, oh. Yeah, let me tell you, say, you know, you're the Queen is here, the Queen is here. This is amazing, man. I'm full time and I walk up and down. So now I get to have a birthday. So now I get. We take plane like blood clot taxi. And that bunny dirty blood clot. We don't want no house, no yacht, and no blood clot land. Travel the blood clot world. Uvex. Gladys God say yes, cast for blessed, and it's 4 days left for Christmas, and it's 5 days left for Sting and win up like heaven. Gladys God crazy, never like me. Merry Christmas, crazy. All Mariah's, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Mariah. Can't keep up with my mash.
Jay, I wanted this scene with the gate. I wanted this scene, Jay.
His heart is racing. He looks fantastic. Thank you.